Hello, I'm Chris Haring with the Army Corps of Engineers, Engineering Research and Development Center, ERDIC, and out here in Santa Clara, Pueblo, New Mexico. They're doing a lot of interesting practices, many which incorporate traditional ecological knowledge, what we term tech. And what that is using in situ materials and some of the traditional Pueblo knowledge in materials to stabilize some of these steep slopes. And so using existing materials, rocks and some of the logs and doing some contour mulching and some other practices is really important to stabilizing these steep slopes. And one of the main questions we have, is why not bring in heavy equipment to do this? With the Corps of Engineers, we have an initiative called Engineering with Nature. And within that program, the engineering group or community is trying to work more naturally with nature to provide more sustainable and resilient designs. Some of the other practices within the Pueblo, the canyon here, Santa Clara Canyon, are side channel ponds, root wads, and some lock logs, some other wood structures, floodplain mulching, which you can kind of see in the background here. There may be certain situations where we have to use harder, more engineering design because of the constraints we have of the site. But where we can, we need to be pushing more towards more greener, more natural and nature-based features to help with our designs, because that is really what the ecological services and systems need for our projects to be kind of capturing all of our benefits. One of the main things that I've learned is just the resilience of the Pueblo and the persistence of trying to make sure that we get all these groups together, and the ability to host workshops like we're participating in this week. Exchange of ideas and methods and practices is very important, not only for the Corps of Engineers to be learning, but our partners and the local partners as well. And there's been reach out from other areas around the country for this type of applications and kind of newer thinkings for engineering designs using engineering with nature.